Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can apply a gradient effect to your photos and images in the Pixlr Photo Editor in 2025. So let us get started. So guys, what you want to do is navigate to your photo or image project. Let me go with that untitled one here. And you will need to add an empty background image layer first. So to do that, navigate to the layer section to the right, click into that plus button or hover your mouse over it and select empty. After that, your empty background image layer will be added. Make sure that it's not locked, for example, that it's unlocked. So what you want to do next, guys, is navigate to the gradient tool here to the left. You will find it here next to the fill tool. Click into it. And after that, start customizing your gradient. You may switch between a linear and a radial. Let us go for linear first. Click into that color bar here and start customizing your gradient style. You can go with one of these customizable preset templates or create your completely new one by adding colors. So let me, for instance, go with that one here and let us customize it even further. So what you want to do is click into these handles and after that select the color for the given position by clicking into that color box here. Let us go with orange, like that color here. Click up and that is going to apply the color. You can do that also for that other handle. You can also position or reposition that handle. Or if you'd like to add intermediates, simply click into the position here along that slider. Like here, for example, to add a new intermediate, click into it and select the color. Let me go, for example, with blue. And let me add also another intermediate somewhere here. Click into the color box and let me go with red in this case here. And last but not least, let us add also a purple one here, just for demonstration purposes. So it looks like this in this case here. Now, you can also play around with the gradient effects opacity by clicking into that drop-down menu and by adjusting that slider. However, I'm going to keep the opacity at 100%. You may also remove that gradient if you like by clicking into the trash icon. And once you're content, guys, click off. And after that, start adding or applying the gradient effect. You may start in the top left and go to the bottom right to add a diagonal gradient like this. If you don't like it, press Ctrl Z to undo. And after that, go, for example, with a linear from left to right. That would look like that, or from the top to the bottom. There you go, guys. So that's how it works. Of course, guys, you can always apply the gradient also to a radial style. Switch from linear to radial. And after that, customize your colors just like that and simply add your gradient effect just like that. There you go. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.